Welcome to the Zebrabuzz platform. Today I'll guide you through the process of setting up full-page comment reply automation and private reply automation on your Facebook page and/or Instagram page. This feature allows you to automatically respond to comments on your posts and send private messages to users who comment. What is great here is that you can reply with any kind of media. For example, video to watch, links to buy products, blog links, images, etc. You could also use this system to automate lead generation. The possibilities are endless. Before we start, make sure you have a Zebrabuzz account and that your Facebook page or Instagram account is connected to Zebrabuzz. If you haven't done this yet, please watch the video in the description for a step-by-step guide on setting up your account and connecting it to Zebrabuzz. Once that's done, follow these steps. On your Zebrabuzz dashboard, click on Comment Manager in the left sidebar. Then click All Post List. This page will open with a list of comments, campaigns, and your latest page post listed on the right side. Scroll down a bit and go to the Full Page Campaigns section. Click the gear icon labeled Enable Full Page Reply. A response settings window will appear with various options to configure. You can decide whether to hide or delete comments containing specific offensive keywords. Note that you need to write down which keywords are offensive in the field below. You may turn on Send Reply Message to a User multiple times. Turn on Enable Comment. Reply to automatically reply to comments. Choose Yes if you want to automatically like comments on your page. You can choose to hide comments after replying to them. This option might be useful if you do not want an unwanted trail of comments, etc. You can automate your reply with AI. We will have a full video on this. You can also reply based on a specific word or sentence. Now, turn on the generic message for all radio button to send the same reply to all commenters. Provide a campaign name and input the reply message you want to send when someone comments on your post. You can also add an image to your reply if desired. To send a private message to the commenter, select a message template. If you don't have one, click on Add Message Template to create a new one. A private message template window will pop up. Give the template a name and write your private reply text in the text box. For example, please let me know how we can help you. Then hit Submit to save the template. The private message is set and the template is selected. Finally, click Save to apply your settings. Next, go to the gear icons on the post avatars on the right side and ensure that the Enable Auto Reply option is active on all your posts. You can check this by clicking on them. To see how this auto reply works, open any of your Facebook posts and leave a comment. You can also confirm that everything is working well when you return to your Zebrabuzz dashboard. On your dashboard, click See Campaign Reports and select Full Page Reply Report to review the auto replies made on your comments. Click the eye icon for more details, or edit the comment and private replies as needed. Here, you will see the user's name, the time the comment was made, etc. If you wish, you can easily edit and update the comment replies and private replies that were made. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. Visit our website or contact our support team if you need assistance. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe and like our video.